Okay, so faceless YouTube channels are becoming one of the most popular things right now. You know, there are faceless YouTube channels earning over $50,000 a month. You know, a faceless YouTube channel can be an asset to help you quit your 9 to 5. So today I thought we'd go and look at some faceless YouTube channels that are currently making bank, you know, to actually tell you the process on how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and start earning some money. So the first thing I think we should outline is what an actual faceless YouTube channel is. So a faceless YouTube channel is a channel that uploads content in a niche. What you do is you pick a niche, so this could be funny videos, this could be travel videos, it could be anything you want. Then you're going to create a content strategy and what you're going to upload, when you're going to upload it, you know, what's viral, what's gonna kick off, and basically just plan how you're going to monetize it. Are you going to monetize it with ads? Are you going to monetize it with sponsorships, deals? And once you have these 3 steps, then you can go ahead and start making some videos. So an example of this would be something like CubeHube01. So this channel is an example of how powerful evergreen content is. So what he's doing is he's targeting a broad audience. This channel can easily hit millions of views a month. So basically what he's doing is he's making catchy titles and, you know, like good thumbnails that are catching people's eyes, you know, making them want to click. So as you can see, these videos from like 2 years ago, his most popular videos, 38 million, 37 million, 30 million. If we take a quick look over on Social Blade, we can see that his estimated yearly earnings are anywhere between 38,000 and 610,000 a year. You know, he's gaining 10,000 subscribers every other week, and he's not really uploading that much anymore. What he's basically done is he's uploaded such a big catalogue of videos and that don't have his face in, that are just covering random topics and like compilations, and they're just generating him loads of views, and which are generating him loads of money. All right, so let's look at another one in case you're not convinced yet. The next one is Future Unity. Future Unity is a perfect example of a cash cow. Their niche is all about mystery, science fiction, anything to do with space or anything. So just like CubeHube1, this channel uses perfect thumbnails. You know, when you see these thumbnails, you want it to click on them, you want to see what's going on next. You can see that he's amassed over 500,000 subscribers just doing these faceless YouTube channels. Basically what he's doing is picking a topic and he's just talking about it. Now the crazy thing about Future Unity is that he outsources the entire process. So basically what this means is that he's not the actual one that's making the video. The guy that owns the channel isn't the guy that makes the videos. He's outsourcing it to someone else on Fiverr or Upwork or something. They're actually voicing the video, then he's going to get someone to edit the video. They just send it back to him, then he just uploads it and he gets all the profit. Now you might be thinking, right, this sounds way too good to be true, but there are literally thousands of channels doing this on YouTube. You know, you probably watched the videos yourself, and now that I've told you what they are, you're going to notice them a lot more. Right, so the 5-step framework into building a successful faceless YouTube channel. What I'd do is I'd pick a niche, I'd create a content strategy, I'd then plan the monetization strategy. A lot of these can be done with ads, but say if you want to do something with music or something that's going to get copyrighted, you can still do that, but then you need to plan a monetization strategy that rolls on selling your subscribers something, or something outsource of YouTube ad. Then you want to think about if you want to make the videos yourself or if you want to outsource the content. So whether you want to get someone to write the script, get someone to edit the video, and all you have to do is upload videos to the channel. Now, I'm not going to say this is going to work for you straight away. You might upload 100 videos and you get not a lot of views. What you got to do is you got to find out something that works, and as soon as you find that something that works, you want to double down on it, and that's where you're going to get all your money. There are literal kids that are 20 years old that have earned over £1 million doing this. So if you want to get started, you know, some great niches are like tech, finance, sports, celebrities, horrors, anything like this. You know what, just plan loads of videos, plan 33 videos, make a first batch, absolutely go ham on it, you know, while your motivation is up here, and I'm sure something's going to work, double down on it, and then that's when you can start expanding the channel. And like I said, you don't have to do face, you don't have to script the videos if you don't want to, if you can outsource anything. However, obviously if you do it yourself, then the cost will be a lot cheaper and you won't have to give as many of your profits away. So yeah, this is definitely something that I'm doing, and definitely something you should get doing as well. You know, there's a lot of people doing it out there, but the thing about this is that as long as you make good content, people are going to come and watch you. So that channel I mentioned earlier, Future Unity, he's walking away with anywhere from 58k to 927k a year doing this. So normally what I like to do with Social Blade is I like to use the middle number. So around £500,000 a year just uploading these spacey videos. He's only uploaded 482 times. You do the maths. This is definitely something you should be getting on.